In some questions, it's written simplify, while in some, it's written rationalize. Now, we write solution 15 plus root 5 over 4 plus root 5. Now, anytime we have a question like this and we're meant to simplify or rationalize, the only thing we're meant to do is to equate it with the opposite of the denominator. Now, since we have 4 plus root 5, we'll equate it to 4 minus root 5 over 4 minus root 5. Now, to borrow a leaf from English language, to rationalize something means to divide it in equal ratios. So anything we do to the numerator, we also do same to the denominator. Therefore, if we have something like this, if we cross multiply, you observe that this will be multiplying this and this will also be multiplying this. Now, placing it alongside, we have 15 plus root 5 in bracket multiplying 4 minus root 5 over 4 plus root 5 multiplying 4 minus root 5, just like we have here. Now we'll continue. We are going to use this to multiply and also use this. So observe carefully. We have 15 times 4, which will give us 60 minus 15 times root 5. Since there is no number in front of root 5, it becomes 15 root 5. Okay? Now, we are not going to use this 15 to multiply 5 because this is not inside a root. Root multiplies what is inside the root, and numbers multiply what is outside. Now, coming here, we have root 5 times 4, which will give us plus 4 root 5, because they don't have anything inside the root, so 4 in front, root 5. Root 5 times root 5 will give us minus 5. How is it minus? If you observe, we have plus here, so plus root 5 times minus root 5. And how is this 5? We say root 5 times root 5 is the same thing as saying 5 times 5. The root of 5 times 5. Of course, 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, the root of 25 is simply what? 5. Now, we continue over 4 times 4 gives us 16. 4 times minus root 5 will give us minus 4 root 5. This times this gives us plus 4 root 5. This times this gives us minus 5, just like we mentioned in the numerator. Now, we collect like terms. If you observe, we have 60 and then minus 5. Then we have these two that are in root. The same thing with the numerator, 16 and minus 5. And then these two that are in the root. Therefore, we collect like terms, or we rearrange them. We have 60 minus 5. Remember, the minus here belongs to this and not this. Minus 15 root 5 plus 4 root 5 over 16 minus 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Now, we now subtract or add, as the case may be. This 60 minus 5 will give us 55 minus 15 plus 4. Remember, we are going to be working with the numbers outside the surd. Now, in addition and subtraction of surd, we only add or subtract the coefficients of the surd, which is what we are doing here. Here we have minus 15. So we'll be using minus 15 plus 4 to give us minus 11 root 5 all over 16 minus 5 will give us 11. And then minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 is 0. Remember, I've mentioned it in my page before. The negative of a number and its positive is 0. Therefore, this is what we have. If you observe, this numerator can divide this and this. Therefore, we are going to separate it out by saying 55 over 11 minus 11 root 5 over 11. This in this will give us 5. This in this will give us 1. Therefore, our answer becomes 5 minus root 5.